Hello, everyone. And I just want to tell you that I just participated as a speaker, and I should say also as a delegate and participant on this amazing aesthetic course with a cadaver prosection and demonstration, clinical demonstration, right here presented by MERZ aesthetic company. The course was amazing. There was a cadaver prosection, 52, 56 participants. The level of information was tremendous. Most of the report, or actually all the report that came out from the course was highly, highly positive, and we are planning again to have a second course in the future. I do want to say a thank you to MERZ company, to Matt and Nabil, that they have performed excellently and was able to reach me out in order to participate in this course. I thank you, everyone, and I wish you luck, and I hope that all of you will see you next time.